Is your AirPods case flashing green but not charging? While a solid green light typically means your case is fully charged, a flashing green light, often misinterpreted from flashing amber in certain conditions, usually indicates a charging issue. We'll explain why this happens and what it actually means. Several factors can cause your AirPods to stop charging. Most commonly, dirty charging contacts prevent a good electrical connection. Other causes include using an incompatible charger, software glitches, or battery degradation over time. The most common cause is dirty charging contacts. Oxidized or dirty pins on the AirPods or charging case block electrical contact. This often happens from earwax, lint, or dust buildup. Using an incompatible charger is another frequent issue. AirPods require at least a 5-watt USB-A or USB-C adapter for proper charging. Weak, damaged, or counterfeit chargers can cause the indicator to flash without actually charging the battery. Software glitches from firmware conflicts or recent iOS updates can interfere with charging detection. The AirPods may show abnormal light behavior even when connected properly. A simple reset usually fixes these temporary software issues. Battery degradation is a long-term factor. As lithium-ion batteries age, they lose charging capacity and may show false or inconsistent charging indicators. This is more common in AirPods used for several years. These common causes, dirty contacts, incompatible chargers, software glitches, and battery degradation, account for most AirPods charging problems. Understanding these helps identify the right fix for your specific situation. The most frequent fix is cleaning the charging pins on both your AirPods and the charging case. Use a dry, lint-free cloth or a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure everything is completely dry before attempting to charge again. This removes earwax and debris. Start by ensuring you're using a compatible charger. Your AirPods require at least a 5-watt USB-A or USB-C adapter to charge properly. Using a lower power charger can prevent charging. Next, try a different cable and power outlet. Faulty cables or outlets can interrupt the power supply, even if they work with other devices. Test with a known working cable and outlet. For older Lightning models, inspect the charging port for wear and tear. Over time, the port can become damaged or loose, preventing proper connection. Look for bent pins or debris. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve software glitches causing charging problems. Place your AirPods in the case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open the lid and press the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This resets the connection. Checking for firmware updates is crucial when troubleshooting AirPods charging issues. Outdated firmware can interfere with proper charging functionality. First, ensure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Simply open the AirPods case near your unlocked iPhone and they will pair automatically. Next, confirm your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app, tap Wi-Fi, and select a network if not already connected. Internet access is required for updates. AirPods firmware updates occur automatically in the background when your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and the iPhone has an internet connection. Additionally, keep your iPhone's iOS software up to date. This ensures compatibility with the latest AirPods firmware. Check for updates in Settings, General, Software Update. Regular updates help prevent charging issues and maintain optimal performance for your AirPods. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting options and your AirPods continue to show charging issues, it may signal a deeper hardware problem that requires professional intervention. Common hardware failures include a degraded battery, which loses capacity over time, or a faulty charging module that prevents proper power delivery. At this point, consider reaching out to Apple support through their website, phone support, or chat for expert guidance tailored to your specific issue. Alternatively, visit an authorized service provider, such as an Apple store, where technicians can perform diagnostics and handle repairs on site. If your AirPods are still covered by warranty, Apple may provide a free repair or replacement, helping you get back to using your device without additional cost. Future AirPods models like the AirPods 4 and Pro incorporate USB-C connectors and wireless charging options such as MagSafe and Qi, which significantly reduce reliance on cables and enhance overall durability by minimizing wear on ports. To prevent charging issues, regularly clean the contacts and avoid exposing your AirPods to moisture, which can cause corrosion and electrical failures over time. Upcoming iOS updates will feature integrated AI diagnostics that can proactively identify and troubleshoot potential charging problems before they become major issues.